One of the things that I noticed through the process, when you say no closing cost loans, remember with the bank, I had to come in, I had to have a certified check. We had to sign ridiculous amounts of paperwork and hand over the check and do the HUD statement. And with you guys, there was a HUD statement, there was a paperwork, there was no handing over the check. When people hear no closing costs, it really is, I didn't have to pay you anything. It was all worked into the value of the refi, and it was a real burden lifted in knowing that not only was I saving money, but I wasn't having to scramble around at the last minute trying to get a certified check of some amount of money.
Right, and that's the advantage of a no closing cost loan. Obviously, we offer cost loans also, because a no closing cost loan is not a loan program, it's a loan technique really. I mean, it's a math problem in which, to the consumer, we try to explain the math as simple as possible and say, here's a closing cost loan versus a no closing cost loan. No closing cost loan is going to be probably a slightly higher rate with a slightly higher payment. But depending on how much you pay for a cost loan, the no closing cost loan could be a huge advantage, or there may be a break-even point of 4, 5, 6 years before you start to see any savings if you paid cost. And if anything happens, if you decide to move or you go national syndication and you're going to New York or LA and you paid cost to do your loan, you've probably lost money because now you've sold your house, you never took advantage of the savings that you paid to get, and now it wasn't advantageous for you.